Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm excited to share with you a delicious and easy to make Japanese dish called stir-fried eggplant with pork berry. This dish is packed with flavor and is perfect for a quick and satisfying meal. Let's get started! Cut the eggplants lengthwise into 6 equal wedges. Cut the shiso leaves in half lengthwise. Cut the pork berry slices in half, making them about 15 centimeters long. Wrap one eggplant wedge with a shiso leaf and slice of pork berry. Once wrapped, dust the entire surface with flour. Heat the oil in a frying pan over medium-low heat. Place the wrapped eggplant rolls in the pan, seam side down. Cover the pan and steam fry the rolls for 6 to 7 minutes, flipping them occasionally. While the rolls are cooking, mix the seasoning together in a bowl. Add the miso paste, mirin, sake, soy sauce, and garlic paste and mix well. Once the pork is cooked through, remove any excess oil from the pan. Add the mixed seasoning to the pan and quickly toss the rolls to coat them evenly. And you're done! And there you have it, a mouth-watering dish of stir-fried eggplant with pork berry. The combination of tender eggplant, juicy pork, and the savory-sweet seasoning is simply irresistible. This dish is easy to make and is sure to become a favorite in your home. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious and easy to follow Japanese recipes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!